Hey there, digital marketers. Ready to elevate your game? Here are 3 game-changing tips to dominate the digital landscape. Tip 1. It all starts with knowing your audience inside out. Dive into data analytics using tools like Google Analytics. Uncover who your audience is, what they love, and what makes them tick. Craft content that speaks directly to them, addressing their pain points and preferences. The better you understand your audience, the more targeted and effective your campaigns become. Tip 2. Video is the reigning champion of digital marketing. Short-form videos, live streams, or engaging tutorials, whatever your style, make video a core component of your strategy. It's not just about views, it's about forging a connection. Leverage the visual power of video to tell your brand story, showcase products, and engage your audience on a personal level. Don't sleep on the potential impact of video content. Tip 3. The digital landscape is a wild ride. Algorithms change, new platforms emerge, and consumer behaviors evolve. Be agile. Be data-driven. Regularly analyze your key performance indicators, click-through rates, conversion rates, social media engagement. Let the data guide your decisions. Experiment, adapt, and stay ahead of the curve. A flexible, data-driven approach ensures your digital marketing efforts align with your goals. There you have it, 3 tips to supercharge your digital marketing game. Dive in, stay informed, and watch your brand soar.